G'day everyone, Goober here with another Torchlight Infinite video. This one I just wanted to go over my drop filter, and also I've just uploaded one of my void charts. This is the one that I used in my latest video that was, well, my first farming video for the season. It was roughly getting 900 flame elementium an hour when I made that video. Now it's a bit more because the price of everything has gone up. So this build code will be in the description of this video. I won't go into this too much. I'll just give it a quick overview. Farming flame sand as it still sells quite well. Onto the compass tab, we have the winding keys as they are still very expensive while people find the best constellations to use. We have the additional star shards as they are going for 2 to 3 flame elementium each. A bunch of compasses with the chance to duplicate the compasses. Compasses are worth a lot this season so far. Onto cube, we have a chance at cube to spawn as well as desire incarnations. Onto nightmare, it's just a reasonable chance for nightmare to spawn with the 10% additional drop quantity replacing the negative omens for that. Onto God of War with a chance for God of War to spawn, and the additional drop quantity, oh, it's not additional, it's just extra drop quantity for while God of War is active. So that can get you up to 60% drop quantity, which is equal to a fair bit of juice, which is just free to go in your map. The profound talents, I am using +1 base affixes. I would probably either keep that or change it for additional chance for star shards to replicate, or just extra drop quantity instead of going for a major node. Pack spirits, it's just got my FE spirits here. You just use whatever you have. If you have nightmare, make sure you use the nightmare when you're going into nightmare. If you're doing cube and you have the cube pets, make sure you do cube with cube pets, etc. If you're unaware, the way that the flame fuel drop quantity pets work is, say this was the only thing that it gives. Every time a flame fuel drops, there is a 16% chance, or if you have both of these, that's a 32% chance that an additional stack of flame fuel will drop. Whether that is just flame sand or ground quartz or flame elementium, depends on the standard drop chance of that item. So that is the void chart. Going on to the loot filter. Oops. So my loot filter is very basic, as I didn't want to have anything too complicated. It's had 50 downloads already, so that's pretty good. It is very, very simple. So the way that you set up a loot filter is, I find the easiest way is to delete every other filter there is. Then you just hide all legendaries. So it's simply just hide everything, as the loot filter works from the bottom up. So it's hidden everything. Then next up, it shows everything that is item level 100. Item level 100 is everything that is priceless. No priceless gear is less than level 100. So that is an easy one for that. Next up, I just have some aptitude 2 legendaries that I really want to see. If we go in here, we can see the 14 that I have selected. Simply, the first one is Fiend Crown. Trinkets, I have a few things in here. Truth, Warden's Breastpin, etc. You can just go through and select the ones that you want to see if they do indeed drop. I might add strange snow just in case I play something else as well. So that is how you set up your drop filter. Going on to standard gear, hide everything less than level 20, greater than level 20, whatever. And then just show me item level 100 gear. That is everything that is, again, priceless. Priceless stuff will drop with this filter. So if I see that, I know that a priceless item has dropped. Nothing else should show anyway. So that is what I want. Soul candles I have not set up yet, as I have not been doing them. However, that should be pretty simple to set up. In a similar aspect as I've done for hero memories and hero relics, hide all hero relics, hero memories, sorry. And then all you need to do is the drop has any of B affixes. That's worded really poorly. So that's a number of affixes. A is the type of affixes, so you can select which ones you want there. I just have it showing 1 to 2 affixes, which is the maximum amount that it can have anyway, with a max tier of 1. So that means that only hero memories that drop with 1 to 2 affixes of a minimum tier of tier 1 or maximum tier, however you want to think about that, only tier 1 affixes will show. So no memory that is below a tier 1 affix will show for the memories. Same deal with the hero relics. Same filter. 1 to 2 with a max of minimum 1 to 2 with a max tier of 1 or minimum tier of 1. It's very confusing, but that's what it does. Items, I just have a few items here that I want to show as special. Flame Elementium, a bunch of fluorescent memories that are worth something. I actually need to change one of these because it keeps making it look like I get a lot of currency when I don't really. Where is it? Secret of the Glacial Abyss. Oh, I didn't do edit, did I? Just unselect that one. So 59 types, that'll get hidden. It gets auto picked up because of my, I think it gets auto picked up on default as well. And I just have rank 5 beacons showing as something different. Anywho, so that is the loot filter in a nutshell. I haven't touched the legendary div slates or hero memories. I don't really know which ones are good, which ones are bad, but if they drop, then it's easy to have a look, as not many drop anyway. So that is the loot filter. I will put this in the description as well. And that's all I have for this video. If you have any questions on the loot filter, just hit me up and I'll try and answer them the best I can. Let's do a quick one of these just to show what shows up on this one. If he spawns, there we go, he's dead. So only the beginning and the rank 5 beacons show up. All the extra stuff does not show up at all. You can have a hotkey that shows that disables loot filters, so you can see what's on the ground. And yeah, so that's all hidden. It's pretty good. Let's do a quick map as well. And that will be the end of this video. Star shards are still worth, you know, a couple of FE, so why not? Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, bum, bum. So we just show the flame elementium. You don't get all the extra garbage to show up, which is great. I could probably hide the flame sand as well, but it auto picks up, so it's not too bad. Did I not trigger that? I guess I didn't. Where's my map? There it is. I ran straight past these. I normally just run around the map looking at the mini-map, but I didn't have it up, so I didn't see them. Let's see if the quality of life upgrade that I wanted has been implemented. No, it has not. All I want is for the text to not go over the quantity that is remaining. That would be handy. Complete that. Why did I get stuck? Everything's auto picked up. I just see the star shards and I'm good to go. Anywho, that's what I've got for this video. Thanks very much for watching. Like, subscribe, all that stuff if you're new, and I will see you. Oops, that's not how I end a video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.